Welcome back, my S&M family. So I want to say good vibes, family. Welcome back. Thanks for the many support, guys. Welcome all my new subscribers, guys. Like up the video, share up the video, guys. And don't forget to comment and tell me your favorite piece. I'll be doing a Burlington haul today, guys. I'm so excited to show you guys what I have. What I got at Burlington. Burlington is one of my favorite stores.
Bam! Me I say maximum representing for S&M Jamaica lifestyle, and we are say like, comment, and subscribe. Bam! My mama.
So I will just dig right into it. I got this S. It's an S shape. It's a wooden thing, as you know. I like gold and I like white. And this is my initial. Right, so I got this one at Burlington, and it also comes with a little thing at the back where you could put it on the wall. But for now, I just put this on a side table that I have. This is for only $7, guys. Only $7. Can you believe it? I really like this one. I got this for $7. I'll be showing you is this candle holder. I got this. It's from India with love. It got this little cute note on it. So this one, I got it at a discounted price. It was $9 and I got it for $4 something, as you guys can see. Very cute. I like the in the inside. It's kind of goldish, silverish, and I like these nice little thing around the, what is called diamond around here. This is very nice. So this is a bargain for me, and as you know, I love candles, so I get this one. Also, got this cute little picture frame that I'll be putting my photo in. This is a 4x4 photo frame. And I also got this one at Burlington. This was, I got it on sale for $3.99. So this is very cute. That over there. I also got this for my center table, guys. You know, I'm not too much into the figure eight thing, but when I see it, I say I have to get this because I didn't know what I want to put on my center table. But I got this one in Burlington. The jungle. Yeah, this one is cute. I like it. I like the color. So it's made for decoration purpose, so I choose it. So this one, I got it at $16.99, and it's a $30 bargain. I didn't take the tag off, but $16.99, got it at $30. So I put this on my center table, guys. So tell me, comment below and tell me if you like any of these pieces. Guys, I got this cute little orchid at Burlington, of course. I like the pot. It's just simple and nice. Artificial orchid. You could put the leaf in whatever direction you like. So I really like this one. And this is for $12.99. Very good price. This, I also got these cute little candles. I see this one on Amazon. It was for $29. So Burlington is a dealer, so I love Burlington. You get the brand name stuff and you also get value for your money. So in Burlington, I got this for $5.99. As you guys can see, it comes with a wooden top and it's very nice. It's a tranquil breeze, so it gives you a nice spring feel to it, guys. And then this vase, I got it to go with my center table theme. So this vase I also got at Burlington. And this vase, I got it for $29.99. So this is a very good deal. It's very tall. As you can see, it's about 15 inches and it's big. And it's the same color as mine. I also got at Burlington. It's a nice flowers vase. The top is very small though. But you could put your orchid in it, whatever plant you have that goes up. You could fit it right in here. This, I got it at Burlington at a very reduced price, which is $5, guys. Can you believe it? $5, and it's very good. It's a good size. Look at it, guys. Very good. I got this for $5, so you know I could not leave this. I don't have any use for it yet, but I know I will find uses. It's a good deal. Can't beat deal. Can't leave a deal. Okay. And this candle holder, I'm a candle fanatic. I love the center candle. So I got this is like a farmhouse theme candle holder. It's a wooden and it's carved. Very nice. And it I got this for, let me show you guys, $19.99. So price is $9.99, guys. Sorry, it's $9.99. You can't beat that price. So I had to get this because I love candle and I have a lot of places that I could place a candle. Also come with like a cushion bottom, so can't beat that. Like I always say, can't beat the price when it's good. Can't beat the price when it's right. So these ankle socks is a low cut. I always like to wear socks around the house. So I got these. It's 6 pair of them. And I got them for only $3.99 at Burlington. So I had to take these. These are my fiberware measuring spoon, measuring cups. So I got these. I didn't have any before. You know, guys, I like to cook. I like to bake. So I got these. And it was, guess how much the price, guys? It was only $2.99. So, you know, me couldn't leave this. And me want it. Very good deal. And I got these at Burlington also. I got a pair of these. Gold. And it also comes with like a plug-in adapter where you could plug your phone in. Or whatever device you're using. And this is at a very low price for $19.99. Nice bedside lamp. I haven't tried it as yet, but I'm hoping it works. You could always return it if it doesn't work. It didn't come with a bulb and it can rotate to whatever direction you want it to be in. Very nice. So I like the simplicity of it. Very nice. It's like a farmhouse style, as you know, everybody going farmhouse. So I got 2 of those. This is the other one. It's basically the same thing. Also got this painting. You know, you can't go without a painting. I like this. These vase, different colors. So if you're going with a, I'm gonna put it over here so you guys can see. If you're going with a yellow color scheme or a blue color scheme or a red color, this is it, guys. So you have a mixture of colors. So I'll put it up close so you guys could see. And this one, I only paid $15.99 for it in Burlington. So this is also, like I said, Burlington is deal. And you have a lot of variety to choose from and very good stuff. I also get this throw blanket from Burlington. Very good, especially in the winter when it's cold. And this go with my color scheme that I have for my living room. So this is very nice. It's very soft. And I just love this one. I just love it. Very good decorative piece to just throw over your bed or your setting or your little cozy corner that you want to. So I put that over there. And I also get this really nice painting. It's not too fussy. And you could choose whether blue color scheme, yellow color scheme. It gives you a very good spring vibe to it and an ocean theme to it. So I like it. I like the simplicity of it, you know. Very good. And this price is, let me tell you the price, guys. This price is only $14.99 at Burlington. $14.99, and it's a very good size. And it says wow production. It is a wow production. So I'll just place this over here and I'll be showing you the last. I guess I have only one piece left, guys. And like I said, guys, comment below and tell me your favorite piece that I have here today. Share the video with your friends, with your family, guys. And I like the way this channel is going, guys. It have been growing way beyond my expectation, guys. So continue with the subscribe if you like the video. Like I said, for 1 minute, guys, just subscribe to it now. And you wish to see all of the goodies them that I have to show, because I have more videos like these and so much more to come, guys. I'll be showing you the last piece. Don't go away, stick around for it. Oh, so this is it, guys. I saw this bag in Burlington, and I've always wanted a little bag, you know, like a bag if you're going to the supermarket, you're going to the store, just a little bag to just carry your purse, your phone, you know, any little things that you have, little woman stuff. You women would know what I'm talking about. So this is a cute little one. I got it in Burlington, and it's Guess, of course. It's a Guess brand. Very nice, and I like the color. I've never owned. I don't have any pink color in terms of bag. So this price is, I think it's a little bit on the pricey side for me, but for the brand it's okay. This is for $32.99, and it's also a markdown price. So guys, I honestly think it is a little bit on the pricier side for me because it's a small bag, but it's really cute, and I think it's worth it. It's just that it's a $53 value. So it comes with 2 straps, and it also comes with this long strap. And let me check inside. Gotta check inside so you guys could see. Oh, guess what inside? The regular stuff bag to keep the bag in shape. Okay, I have a lot of these. We have like 3 pieces, so that means it you know, it can hold stuff. It comes with 2 pockets, and that's how the inside stay. 2 pockets, so you know you could put all of your little goodies in this and look really cute with it, guys. So I like this one. So guys,